Hello everyone, welcome to my channel StuNerd. Today I am going to discuss about the capacity to contract. I have already made a video on essential elements of a valid contract. So in this video I am going to discuss about the capacity to contract. The parties to the contract must have the capacity to contract. Here capacity means competence of the parties to enter into a valid contract. According to section 11 of the Indian Contract-Act 1872, every person is competent to contract who is of the age of majority according to the law to which he is subject and is of sound mind and is not disqualified from contracting by any law to which he is subject. So that's mean that every person can enter into a contract except certain specific types of person who shall not be capable to enter into contracts. So every person is competent to contract except the following. The first one is a minor. Generally, minor is a person who has not attained the age of 18 years. But in case of guardian appointed by the court, the age is 21 years and agreement entered into by a minor will be amount to void. The second one is a person of unsound mind. A person who is of unsound mind but occasionally of sound mind may make a contract when he is of sound mind, and also a person who is occasionally unsound mind cannot enter into a contract when he is of unsound mind. Agreement entered into by a person of unsound mind are void. For example, a patient in a lunatic asylum who is at interval of sound mind may contract during those intervals. That means if a person become unsound mind for some specific period of time for periodically, then he cannot enter into a contract during the time he is of unsound mind. Here are some example of persons who are said to be persons of unsound mind, that is lunatic, idiots, drunken or intoxicated persons. Now the third and the last one is persons who are disqualified by any law to which they are subject. The following are the persons disqualified by any law to which they are subject. The first one is alien enemy. A person who is not an Indian citizen and whose country is at war with India is called alien enemy. A contract with an alien enemy is void, but a contract with an alien friend whose country has a friendly relation with India is valid. The second one is convicts. A person convicted of a crime and sentenced to death penalty or imprisonment cannot enter into contract. And the third one is insolvent. The insolvent is disqualified from entering into a contract until he is discharged by the court of law. The fourth one is foreign sovereigns and diplomats. Unless an Indian citizen obtained a prior sanction of the government of India, they cannot enter into a contracts. And the fifth one and the last one is corporation. A company is a juristic person created by law and is competent to contract with subject to the limitation which may either necessary or express. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe my channel for more study related videos.